Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my DIY Kokum Butter. I use this on my hair and on my skin. It does wonders for my hair, keeping it moisturized under my braided hairstyles. And for my skin, you guys, it keeps my skin so smooth and so soft, and I absolutely love it. And I really want to share this with you because this has become my holy grail when it comes to moisturizing my hair under my braids. So what you're going to need, or what I use in my Kokum Butter, is raw Kokum Butter. Now I get all my butters and oils from the Taj Mahal. It's called Taj Mahal Imports. All right, this is the name of the store. This is the website right here. And I live pretty close to here, so I just go ahead and I go into the store and pick it up. You can order online if you want to. So what I like to put is, here is grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and tea tree oil. Now this tea tree oil I actually got from Whole Foods. Okay, so now the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to melt this butter down. And so I'm going to use the double boiler method. I'm going to place some water in this pot here, and then I'm going to dump all the Kokum butter into this Pyrex bowl, and I'm going to start to melt it down. Okay, so when I fill my pot up, I filled it up like halfway full. Okay, don't fill the water all the way up because you want the dish to be able to fit inside of the pot and not overflow. So after the water comes to a boil, I go ahead and I turn my fire on low. Okay, you can turn it off or on low. I just went ahead and turned mine on low, and then I begin to use my spatula to help stir it around and get it going to melt down. So the Kokum Butter helps with dry skin. It helps regenerate your skin cells, contains a lot of antioxidants. It helps you retain moisture. The tea tree oil is good for dandruff, overall scalp health. It helps with eczema and inflammation. The grapeseed oil is great for moisturizing and conditioning your hair and skin, and helps to retain and lock in that moisture. As far as the Jamaican black castor oil, everybody knows that that is great for growing your hair. Okay, it also helps with preventing breakage. It's great for acne scars, and it's also great for the overall health of your scalp. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention, which is very important, you're going to need a hand mixer. Okay, so you need the hand mixer to whip the Kokum butter. All right, now so the butter is melted and it looks like oil. All right, this is what it's going to look like. So this is how much Jamaican black castor oil I have left. If you can see, it's like about right here. It's not that much, so I'm just going to use what I have, and I'm going to pour the rest of this into this oil. Well, into the Kokum butter. And then I'm going to pour about the same amount of grapeseed oil inside, maybe a little more. Now, as for this tea tree oil, this stuff is extremely potent and extremely strong. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just do 2 drops in here because I don't want it too strong. Maybe 3. Oops, that was 4. My bad. Okay, boom. Now I'm just going to go back in and I'm just going to stir this. And I am going to allow this to cool in the fridge. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it with a paper towel and place it in the fridge. Don't put anything too tight over top your Kokum butter because it is still a little warm, and you don't want any water to develop on the sides of your bowl and get into your Kokum butter. Okay, so be mindful of that. Okay, now you want to leave the Kokum butter in the fridge for maybe about 45 minutes to an hour. Anything over that, you really want to keep an eye on it so it does not solidify completely like mine did. Okay, I had to go ahead and heat mine down a little bit, but you just want the Kokum butter to be soft to the touch. Like, you want to be able to push down on it and it has a little bit of give. As I begin to whip the butter, I start off on the lowest setting on the hand mixer, and as the butter becomes more loose, I gradually increase the speed until it just all starts to come together. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I make the DIY whipped kokum butter. I did go in and add a couple of drops more tea tree oil, and that's it. After I do that, I just take my spatula and I transfer it over into the container that the raw kokum butter came in, and that's how I store it. I absolutely love this stuff for my hair and my skin. It keeps my hair and skin so moisturized, and it is just amazing. So I hope you guys try this out, and if you do, please let me know down in the comment section. And thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.